Welcome back. This is third class for Crochet for Kids. You can find links for previous classes up there. You can also find links in the description box. Today we will learn double crochet.
All you need is yarn and hook. Hook I am using is 5.5 millimeter and the yarn I am using is double knit. This is also called 4-ply size 3 yarn. First of all, we will start with a slip knot. If you don't know how to make slip knot, then I will add the video in the description box. You can see there how to make it. And then we will start by making chain. There's a video for the chain as well in the description box, and you can see how to make it. We will make 10 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 chains. Once you have 10 chains, then we can make double crochet. So for the double crochet, you skip first 2 chains, and the third chain we start working on the double crochet stitch. For the double crochet, you wrap the yarn on the hook. We work the same way as we did with the single crochet. One chain has 3 loops, 1 2 and 3. If you go on the back, you can see very clearly 1 2 and 3. If you go and see my previous video that was for single crochet, you can see in detail I describe how we work in the chain. I'll add the link up there as well, and you can find the video in the description box. That's a detailed video for that. So now for the double crochet, we wrap the yarn on the hook one time. Then after skipping 2 chains, in the third chain, the top loop here, we will go in this loop. The top loop, chain has one bottom loop, one top loop that you can see from front, and we go on the top loop. Now you can see we have 3 loops on the hook. We will wrap the yarn on the hook again and pull through that chain. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. We will wrap the yarn on the hook again and then slowly bring it and pull through first 2 loops that are already on the hook. Now we still have 2 loops on the hook. We will wrap the yarn on the hook once more and now gradually pull through both of the loops that are already on the hook. And with that, we completed our first double crochet. Now let's make another one. So to make the double crochet, we always wrap the yarn on the hook before going to the chain. Wrap the yarn on the hook, go in the next chain, the top loop of the chain. Wrap the yarn on the hook, pull through the chain. We have 3 loops on the hook. Wrap the yarn on the hook again, pull through first 2 loops that are on the hook. Now we still have 2 loops on the hook. Wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through these 2 loops. And that's how we got our second double crochet. In the same way, we will make the third one. Wrap the yarn on the hook, go in this chain, next chain, the top loop. Wrap the yarn on the hook, pull through the chain. We have 3 loops on the hook. Wrap the yarn on the hook again, pull through first 2 loops. Wrap the yarn on the hook again and pull through next 2 loops. We got our 3 double crochets. In the same way, we will work all the double crochets, all the chains. Wrap the yarn, go in the next chain, the top loop. Wrap the yarn again, pull through the chain. Wrap the yarn, pull through first 2 loops. Wrap the yarn on the hook again and then pull through next 2 loops. Our 4 double crochet complete. Now 5th one. I am working very slow so you can see each step. Wrap the yarn before going to the chain. wrap the yarn, pull through the chain, wrap the yarn, pull through first 2 loops, wrap the yarn, pull through next 2 loops. Again wrap the yarn on the hook before going to the chain, wrap the yarn, pull through the chain, wrap the yarn, pull through first 2 loops, wrap the yarn, pull through next 2 loops. Now the last chain is left, we work there, wrap the yarn on the hook. This is the first step, wrap the yarn on the hook, going into the chain second step, third step wrap the yarn on the hook and pulling through the chain, fourth step wrap the yarn on the hook, pull through first 2 loops, fifth step wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through next 2 loops, and our double crochet is complete. So here we had 10 chains and we should have 8 double crochets by the end of rows, because when we were starting we skipped the first 2 chains and started working from the third chain. So let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, we have 8 double crochets. Same, you should have 8 double crochets as well. Now for the next row we will go back in the loop and make 2 chains. To start the double crochet new row, always make 2 chains. Some people make 3 chains as well, but I feel it better with the 2 chains. Okay, now you can see the same way as we work in the single crochet. This is space, in this space we work, and from the top you can see these 2 loops, we work underneath these 2 loops. So wrap the yarn on the hook just like we did in the previous row, go in this hole and we are going underneath these both loops that you can see from the top, and that's how it looks like from back side. Wrap the yarn on the hook, pull through this hole from underneath these both loops. We have 3 loops, wrap the yarn on the hook, pull through first 2, wrap the yarn on the hook again and pull through next 2. We got our first stitch. In the same way we will go in the next hole here underneath these both loops, wrap the yarn on the hook, pull, wrap the yarn, pull through first 2 loops, wrap the yarn, pull through next 2. In the same way we will keep going in this space underneath both 2 loops, and we will complete working our double crochet. It is very important to keep counting on the way, as we want to have same number of stitches as we have in the previous row. In the previous row we have 8 double crochets, we want to have same number of stitches in this one. Let's count, 1 2 3 4 5 6, we need 2 more. With that we completed our second row of double crochet. Now we have to follow our row number 2 for the whole project. You can make it as big as long as you want to, just keep repeating the same step that we did in the row number 2, and make sure to count the number of stitches. We don't want any extra stitch and we don't want any less stitch as well. We want to keep the number of stitches same so our work look even. I hope you understand the pattern. If you have any questions you can ask in the description box. See you next video. Thank you so much for watching.